Integrating Microsoft Project with other key business systems drives value, reduces manual rework, and increases the accuracy and timeliness of information that's critical for making business decisions. Some systems customers often need to integrate include their finance, accounting, and billing systems, human resources systems, Agile development environment, trouble ticketing system, document management, drawing, and BIM systems, customer-facing intranet and employee-facing intranets, supply chain, and more. Western Principles can help you get started. There are several ways to integrate to Microsoft Project. Since Microsoft Project is the most popular project management system, many applications integrate Microsoft Project out of the box. Some through full APIs, some through simple consumption of a Project MPP file, and some through imports of CSV files. Integration can be created and customized through Microsoft's Power Platform, for example using Power Automate to move data between Microsoft Project and another system, or using Power BI to report across systems and bring data together in executive-ready dashboards. TPG provides a configurable integration bridge called the PS Link to move data back and forth between ERPs such as SAP and Microsoft Project. UMT360 provides the Cost Manager, which provides complete project cost controls and integrates to Microsoft Project directly. It then integrates to popular ERP systems like SAP, Dynamics 365, Oracle, and others. Western Principles can help you understand your integration options and select and configure the solution that's right for your needs. Western Principles is a Gold-certified Microsoft Project and Portfolio Management partner. We also work with other Gold-certified partners like UMT360 and TPG for integration and additional functionality. We know Microsoft Project and can help you with your work management, configuration, implementation, resource management, reporting, and integration. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.